Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. I am really excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my laundry room. I didn't want to do this whole spiel, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into my laundry room tour now. Starting off with the tour, I wanted to share with you guys the before images. This is really important because you get to see the full process. Knowing that this room was already small, I knew that I could still create a very impactful design in this room. So I got to planning. The very first thing that you're going to see in this wall is the wallpaper. For that, I do use Wallpaper. Been using them for a really long time. It's easy to apply and also easy to remove. Panning down to the floor, the flooring is by De Chateau. I will discuss this in another video in full detail. Knowing that I applied trim all over the house, I wanted something in the laundry room that was going to be uniquely to this particular space. So I created this mud wall and put storage underneath. Storage units are from Home Goods. Overall, taking a pan around the entire space, I love this room and it has been such a great use to me overall when it comes to cleaning and also doing laundry. Alone. A road to wherever I want, and you see I go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep them within, holding on to a feeling so strong. What I created in this space is a multi-functioning room. The washer and dryer houses cleaning products, so when I'm doing laundry, I can have full access to it to spray the clothing down, and then my dryer sheets to go into the dryer. The cabinets above house overflow of hygiene and also room fresheners. I need to replenish this area here, but it was full just about 2 weeks ago. And then behind this door is where I house all of my cleaning essentials. So I have everything from Method to Myers, of course my Suavitel, and I cannot forget my vacuum. If you guys are planning on creating something like this, the biggest tip that I'm going to share with you is to line all of your cleaning products up, including your vacuum, and then do all the measurements and then plan everything out and sketch it. This was nothing but plywood. The plywood, I believe, is about $15. And then, of course, I had to pay for the labor and everything. Implementing the plywood in this space was a lot cheaper than purchasing a closet system. And there you have it, you guys. That's my laundry room. Before I leave, I wanted to go ahead and address a couple of things that I didn't mention in the video. So this guy right here, which is a kind of like a laundry rack. I actually hauled this in a previous video when I did my container store haul. I absolutely love it. I really don't use this cabinet a whole lot, and if I do use it, I'm only using this side to grab the air freshener. So when I'm not using the rack, I actually flip it over because there are two holes on either side. That way, when I do laundry and I have to hang something up, I will turn it this way and have the clothes hanging right down the middle, which is why the washer and dryer is not flush together like this. And I really didn't want it to the side. I tried pushing the washer and dryer together. Overall, I didn't like the look. I also purchased a little caddy to go in the middle. With the cabinet above, it was just entirely too much. So going over some things that still need to be done. While I was installing the wallpaper, I accidentally hit the trim and it came down. When Noah comes to do some of the work that is left downstairs, I'm going to have him put that back up there. And I'm going to be adding crown molding. I'm going to show you guys really quick why. Right over here. So I wouldn't lose out on this whole entire wall of wallpaper. I opted to salvage this piece but I also ended up missing a small piece right here. So I just said, you know what, I'm still gonna put it up on the wall, but then it's gonna be covered by the crown molding, no big deal. The actual mud wall right here, I have to repaint it. There was a big situation with the paint. I got it in a sample, but it's actually Sherwin-Williams designer series. And what ended up happening is when they mixed it in the sample, it actually changed the color. But I was more in love with this color than I was in love with the original color. So I'm actually gonna have to paint over it, because as you can see, some parts have a sheen and some parts don't. That's just because the sample is not meant to use to paint, but I love the color so much. I was like, you know what? I'll go ahead and paint it to get it ready for the one room challenge, and then I'll go over it. And then I made a big mistake. I was tired, I was rushing, wasn't thinking. And when I cut this piece here, I should have saved the other side for this one. I didn't. I did order the wallpaper, so that's coming and that's going to be installed, but that's why you see that dot right there. No one really mentioned or asked about it, but since it is on video and I'm sure you guys are going to see it, I felt like let me go ahead and address that. So the laundry room is 95% completed. This isn't going to take absolutely anything to get done. It's going to get done fairly quickly. But again, just going over some of the things with you guys. That is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing my laundry room. I absolutely love it. One of the biggest things that I love is as I'm in the loft and I'm passing to kind of go into my bedroom or go downstairs, I see out of the corner of my eye that room and the door's always open. It just looks so good. So good that I don't want to do laundry. Probably because I hate doing laundry. I absolutely hate doing laundry. Not so much the laundry, it's the actual like having to fold and then put everything away. But let me just say this, I am really happy that the washer and dryer is on the first floor. That has definitely been a huge help. If you're hearing some ruckus behind me, I'm actually currently getting the board and batten painted right now. But yeah, I'm really excited overall on like how the house is coming along. I do have a blog post about the laundry room just in case if I missed something or you didn't get something from it. I'm gonna leave that down below, that way you guys can check that out. It's about 90% completed. Like I stated, I have to get that crown molding done and then that one little strip of wallpaper added onto the wall, which I'm gonna try to get that done the next 2 weeks. I've literally just been kind of hopping around the house doing different things. I have people now that are upstairs doing the board and batten. I literally just took my mask off that way I can come to my office, record this, and then I'm gonna step outside while they're working, and then I have to kind of sanitize. It's so crazy. Life has changed tremendously, not only because of COVID, but just overall with like the protests and everything like that. So when I originally was, you know, designing the house, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, you know, when the boards are getting ready, I'm gonna do this. Well, we haven't been going anywhere, you know what I'm saying? We haven't been going anywhere. So like the mud wall isn't being used right now, and I was gonna do the living room downstairs, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do the loft space because we are spending a lot of time upstairs in general. So that's pretty much it. The next couple of videos is going to be what I recorded for like 4th of July, celebrating Juneteenth, honey, and painting, mirrors, like a whole bunch of stuff. Like I have a lot of footage that I recorded. I think you guys probably know this. I didn't upload for about 5 days. I didn't have any internet, so I couldn't upload anything, but I do have videos. So the next couple of videos is going to be kind of keeping up with what was going on. And again, like I said, if you have a question that I did not answer in this video, leave it down below. Really quickly, the mud wall is 1x4 planks that I used, got caulked, finished everything, and then I painted it. And then the 2 little small ottoman up underneath it is from Home Goods. Most of the accessories in my house that aren't like super big or major is probably gonna be from Home Goods. But anyway, you guys, bye. I'll see you guys next time.